in today's video I'm going to discuss about the sites, like how to set up the sites, how to enable the experience, digital experience, and then how to create partner, customer, and what are the licenses we use, and how to add the enable as partner, enable as customer, those actions to the layouts, and when to use account contact and when to use person account, and what is the end result when you use these objects, everything in detail. Okay, so first let me tell you an example. If we take any website, okay, let's take Amazon. So when you want to buy any product, what you will do is, first, if you're first time user, you will sign up for the new as a new user, and then you'll reset or register your password, and then when you want to buy some product, and you log in again later with those credentials only, right? So in the partner or customer community, so we will create the same like that users only. Okay, users will be the end result. In order to create users, we will make use of account contact objects in the Salesforce. Okay, this is the uh, outline of the requirement, okay, outline of the communities, how that whole process goes. So before showing like how to enable the site, all those, I'll show you one thing. If you go to account object, I said enable as partner, enable as customer will be on the accounts. Okay, enable as users, partner user, customer user will be on the contacts, because every time we will create a user from the contact only, not from the account. Okay, when you enable a particular account as partner or a customer, then you will be able to create its contact as users. That is the flow. Okay, so just a basic I will write here. So you will have account, and then you will have contact for each account, or this one to many or like that I'll discuss, and then you will create user. So every time you will create a user from the contact only. Okay, you will create user from contact. So when you can create the user is when you enable a account as partner or customer. Okay, only then you will be able to create the user. Okay, that is how you will go through the whole process. Okay, first you have to enable the account, and then you'll go to the contact, you'll create the contact, and then from there you will create the user. These are the three steps, important steps. Okay, now let's go to the account. So go to page layout. If we check in the page layout, now we won't be able to see enable as partner, customer, all those actions. Why? Because we haven't set up any digital experience for our org. So now let's do that first. So in order to create a community site, you have to go to the all sites page, and then you have to create from there. But in our case, if you search for all sites, we won't be seeing any matching results for those. So why? Because we haven't really set up the digital experience, right? So go to digital experience first, type that, go to the settings, and then here you have to enable, check this box, and then click on save. Once you save, it will be redirecting to the all sites page. Okay, it will be redirecting. Yeah, so here you have to create, by clicking on the new, you have to create a partner or customer based on that. Okay, before creating a new site, let's, if you want to navigate later, how you have to navigate is same, type all sites, you will see all sites now, because you have enabled the digital experience. Click on it, you will be coming to the same page only. Here you have to create. Before creating, let me discuss few business requirements, how you will choose your site, and based on your use case. If you want partner, you will go for partner site. If you want customer, you will go for customer site. So now if we check here, we can see these buttons actually. Actions, yeah, see, disable customer account, disable partner account, and enable as partner. But here you won't be using any seeing any enable as customer. Okay, you won't be seeing anything enable as customer. So you have to first, what in order to see that, generally when we are using a customer or partner, we will decide a person based on their license. If we are using the partner licenses, they are partner account users. If they are using the customer licenses, they are the customer users, I mean customer community users. Okay, so when you can see the customer user here, when I will tell you, let's open the contact and then find, compare the difference. Contact, go to contact, page layouts, contact. Now here you will see customer also. See, partner user, customer user, disable customer user, disable partner user. So here users, I said right, from the contact only you will be creating the users, so you will have the user, enabling user from here only. Okay, now why you are not able to see the customer is, even if it is a customer, if you want to go for a customer user, you will enable them as a partner, and then you should go to the contact and then you should use enable customer user there. Okay, on the account it will be always partner only, enable as partner account. Okay, then you will go to the contact. If you are using the customer community, you will choose this. If you are using the partner, you will choose this. Okay, based on these actions only the users will be created and their license will be set up. Only then they will be logging into the site. So we have to be careful here. Now let's go and let's see the scenarios. There are three scenarios. Okay, we can use one account, contact. In the end, what I said, user will be common. The end thing is user. This is one account, one contact, and then here one account, many contacts, and here person account. So there will be requirements, right? So where your business use case will say like, we don't want any separate account, any separate contact, we'll deal with one record only. Then you have to go for the person account. Okay, so this can be in any, you can use for partner, you can use for customer. So it's all about the use case you get. Okay, because why here you don't have any contact scenario, because in the person accounts we won't be creating any contacts, it will be always person account only. So when you enable the person accounts, then on the account you can see that enable as customer user, not enable as customer, it will be enable as customer user. Why? Because for person accounts we don't have contacts, so you cannot navigate to the contact record and you cannot choose the customer user option here. That's why. So before that, let's enable person accounts. Also this person accounts we will be using for the customer communities. Okay, not the partner. We have to set up a record type, so I'm setting up unlimited. Record type is unlimited. Okay, next, before enabling a person accounts we have to create a record type. That's the save. Now we can enable the person accounts. So as soon as I enable this, you will see the option which I was telling you. Mobile. See, if you check here, we have enable customer user. Enable customer user, but we don't have enable partner user. Understand? So we will be creating partner users only from the contacts. Okay, when we have a person account, that means we don't want to like it will not allow you to create contacts, so you have to enable the customer users from here only. So person accounts we will use for the customer community. Okay, this is one thing. Now in this four cases I said. um, okay, so user will be the common, and this I have explained you just now. Since account and contact will be the same, we will create this record and then we will enable as customer only. Okay, this is for customer community scenario only, whereas this we can use partner or customer. These two scenarios will work for partner and customer. Okay, plus based on our requirement. For example, in your you have a company L U and you joined as a employee there. So what they will give you, they'll give you a separate account for you, right? Separate account, and you'll have Gmail account. Let's say they'll give you a Gmail account and your details will be in that. So it will be a separate, that means one on one. So in our Salesforce we are creating the contact because we will have that enable option on the contact only. Okay, in general terms we will have single. Okay, this is one on one. Now what is one is to many? For the same company, okay, you have different branches: Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad and Mumbai, something like that. So now people will be like, some people join Bangalore, some people join Chennai, some people join Hyderabad and so on. So whoever join the Bangalore branch, they will have the Bangalore account, but the people will have the contacts individually. Okay, this is one to n, that is one common account, many contacts. Here you are all belong to one company, but you will have separate account for you and separate contact. Okay, and then you will create the user. So why this contact will play a major role in creating users is, when creating a user you will have a field called contact ID. Okay, if you have contact ID, that means we have to link this contact to the user using this field. Only then that particular account, that particular user is portal user. Okay, we will say whether it's a customer or a partner portal. It depends on the contact. For normal users, like let's take my user only. If I go to my user, you won't see any contact ID option. Okay, see, if you see here, my profile is system administrator, and even if I search for contact ID, you will not find any, because this is not a portal user. But when you create a portal user, you will see a field called contact ID. Okay, that means as soon as you click on this enable partner, it will automatically, we will be clicking from the contact, no, so it will take the contact and it will directly refer that contact ID over the contact ID field. I will show you that when creating the site. And this is about one to many, and I already told you about the person, right, person account. So this will be common, so we will use it for customer use case. And this is all about the different types of scenarios. So everywhere in all the three scenarios, user is the common procedure, but it's just choosing the procedure is different. Okay, you can use partner for partners and customer for customers. So I have told you about the customer. No, I'll tell you one partner and customer with these scenarios also. Okay, for example, Amazon only is there. Okay, for this Amazon, there will be so many people, like they'll say we have so many products, with us, so we want to sell through your platform. Okay, everyone cannot build their own platform, right? So through your platform I want to I want to sell my products. So there is a person brand name B brand, okay, C brand. These are all their brands, that means they are people only, but all those products, all their products will be named as B brand, C brand, like that. Now to have a communication between the Amazon and these people who will sell their products, they will use partner portal, because these are all partners to the Amazon, right? So they will register with the Amazon and they will sell their products there. Now we the end users, there will be person 1, person 2, 3 and so on. Now These people will sell their products. Here why it will use partner portal is, for example, if some new brand came E and that brand is going very well, now what you will do, you will convert this brand to your lead, right? Opportunity and lead. So now here what you are using between the Amazon and these people, you are using the partner. Now these brand, they want to sell their products and they are selling. Now when I log in as my user and I will see the product, okay, this we have the same product in all these different brands, but I choose this brand. So between these distributors and the customers, they will use customer portal, because these people are selling it, we are buying the products and we will give them reviews. And whenever our product did not reach us, we need some support, right? Customer support, and we will take from the partners. Okay, this is the flow. Okay, how where to use partners and where to use customers. Okay, and this is all about the partners and the customers, and I will tell you now how to create a site. Go to all sites and then click on new. As we discussed earlier, we will have many number of themes. Okay, all these are themes, so you can choose whatever you want. Customer service for customer, partner for partner. So sales means partner, service means customer. Okay, the same templates will be classified here more, and marketing is for marketing. But if you don't want to use these portals, you want to start from scratch, like everything, you want to build your own navigation, you want to build your own like UI, then you have to choose build your own websites. So in that we have LWR and Aura. LWR is Lightning Web Runtime. So these are a bit enhanced version of the Aura. That means these are LWR sites will be very fast when compared to the Aura sites. But in the end, we have their own respective limitations. Okay, in the next video, we will see how to create a partner community and what are the licenses and how to set up the users, all those. Okay, thank you.